Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 4580 Town Center. I got my camera pushed out here. He's worried there's a break out here going from the... I'm out here in the yard clean out, going out towards the main. Here we are at MSD's line. We're at 42 feet. I'm going to pull back, show you what it looks like. So he's had a repair done on this at one time, and it appears, it looks like you got PVC coming from here. We got a small little belly in the line here. PVC from here and the yard trap riser pipe to the main. So it's all been repaired. It all looks in pretty decent shape. Here we are at the T here, so we're going to go ahead and go towards the house. We'll be right back. Alright, so we got our camera pushed towards the house here. Here we are about 38 feet, or 37 feet. And you see, this is the transition. This is where it comes 4-inch cast and it's supposed to be 6-inch clay. See, it's all kind of mushed up here, and it looks like it's melted or something. It's kind of rough looking. I don't know if they put it. So pull it back, show you what it looks like. The line looks kind of wavy, a little odd shaped. And here we are, it's coming out a little straighter now. Here we are, and I believe some clay, possibly. Got some turns in here, and here we are at the riser pipe. This is where the riser pipe going towards the house is. So you got a small belly here, but the pipe's kind of misshapen, and you can see it's turning here. You go farther in. Yeah, this is a transition from 4-inch to supposed to be 6, I believe, but it's kind of funny there. Definitely going to recommend that to be repaired there. I've located it by the house. It's about yep, I've located this in the garden area over there. It's 8 feet deep. So we'll try to push it in. See this cast there, but be right back. So I'm unable to push into the house. I had them run some water, as you see, with it being smashed right there. It's holding water a little bit. Pull it back. I'm going to go ahead and locate this. This pipe definitely problems here. See right here, should be nice and open. That 4-inch should slide right in here. See, there's a come offset. There's a lip. It's outside the house. It's 8 feet deep. I'm going to recommend that to be repaired. Got a turn there. It's turning up and going over. Got another turn going up and over. It's got a little water running in there. Here we are at the trap, so yeah, probably gonna recommend that to be repaired there. Alright, thank you. Alright, so we are on the roof now. I ran my camera through the cast iron. I've tried from outside and the yard clean out there. When we came to the house here at the transition, as you see, it's all misformed and misshaped, and even from this end, you see it's all melted and weird looking, and definitely a problem. Definitely ain't right. Probably recommend that to be repaired there. Like I said, I've located and marked this outside the house, next to the front porch. It's 8 feet deep, so definitely recommend repair there. I don't want to push my camera and get stuck to this end, so we're going to go ahead and pull it back and show you the rest of the cast iron here. See, he has a little bit of water sitting there because of that transition there is all gummed up and all misshapen and construed. So we got a Y right there, another line for the other half of the house tying in and going out. Yep, so here we are at the bottom of the stack. So all the cast iron underneath the house looks pretty good. No breaks or holes or cracks or anything like that. It's just that transition outside the house where they tie in from 4-inch to 6. It's all, I don't know what's going on with that PVC. It looks like it's melted or become misshapen. It's all, connections all messed up there. Meets the cast iron, so I'll recommend that to be repaired there. Yep, so here we are at the roof. Alrighty, thank you.